folks, and welcome to another one of our adventures. Our adventures takes you to
the Sun Viking Motel in Daytona Beach, Florida.
So join us on our adventures as we do a hotel review. Okay, so folks, this is our room here at the Viking here in Daytona Beach. We kind of want to like the room because of how big and the size and everything. But it just has this weird smell to the place. I can't quite understand it.
And honestly, this is our third room here. Each room smelled, but the second room smelled atrocious.
Yeah, it was so bad. I was getting really bad headaches.
I actually have a headache right now.
Yeah, so you would think for $157, you would at least, you would at least get somewhat of a decent, But we did notice some things. We're not too sure quite where the smell's coming from. But if you could see right up there on top of the ceiling fan, that just looks really, really gross. It's nasty. And this is like our third room here. The first one didn't smell too bad. The only thing is we couldn't get the curtain to close. So we're like...
Some would wake up first thing in the morning, which maybe necessary would not be a terrible thing.
No.
You want to get up early anyways.
But this is our TV here at in our room. And whenever you turn the channel...
Or the volume.
It kind of talks. It says volume up, volume down.
Channel 2.1. Channel 2.2.
Yeah, so it's... We kind of like...
Volume 12.
Yeah.
Volume 13.
Yeah, so we just turned the TV off. But yeah, and this right here, I noticed something else in our room, which is the outlet. It kind of looks like it's falling apart. And it looks dangerous, so I didn't even bother plugging my phone in there. Okay, so they have this other outlet that I did kind of plug my phone into, which is right here. But it doesn't seem to, hold in all that well, so yeah.
You can sort of describe it as a whole hotel. It's not really holding in too well.
No.
Well, it's not holding up too well.
Yeah, but this hotel is on the beach, so you do get a beachfront view, which is...
No complaints about that.
No complaints about that. It's just, I don't know, there's just some smell to the room that just kind of, I don't know what it is.
It gives me a headache.
Yeah.
We were really trying to find visible mold, but we can't really find much. A dirty ceiling fan, but I did notice it could be mold, but I did notice something in the... Not 100% sure what that is.
Yeah, I'm not 100% sure what that is. But yeah, if you had a ring light to this room...
It would probably glow.
It would probably glow.
Definitely the remote for the TV. That's nasty.
I mean, it's got a nice vanity right here and sink and everything. So I kind of want to like the place.
Double vanity. Very nice.
Yes.
You got a nice hairdryer. Not all places have hair dryers in it.
Oh, yeah. And then this right here. So you have this really nice hair dryer right here, which is not bad.
Yeah,
they also provide you with some soaps too. So you got it looks like you got your conditioner, your hand soap, and I believe it might be some lotion.
Yeah, it's usually...
Yeah, lotion.
It's usually shampoo, conditioner, lotion.
And lotion, yeah. Now this right here will be the bathtub. There's a shower head. And then right down there, it looks like there's just some paint or caulk or whatever that is. I'm not 100% sure. But yeah, this is the bathroom right here at our hotel. And then there's some more soap right here. It looks like they got some body bar soap. And then they also provide some more soap and stuff like that for you.
Don't forget the lovely.
And then I did notice some stains on the rug. Really bad stains. And then this is the door right here. Now they do provide an indoor safe. They also have like a luggage rack, an ironing board, and an iron right up there. There's some coat hangers if you wanted to hang your coats and stuff up. Now this right here, it doesn't quite close all the way. It looks like there might be something wrong, like it's broken or something. I tried closing it, but it doesn't want to seem to go on the track up there, so I am just going to close it like that for now.
Oh, we got some weed.
What? You've got to be kidding me.
Sorry, I wish I wasn't. Some green stuff of some sort.
It just looks like crumbs, honey.
It could be moldy crumbs. It did smell like pot when I first.
Ooh, watch out, hon. I saw something crawl right by your foot.
I just can't believe this. You know, I've always sort of wanted to stay at this place.
Yeah, I think tomorrow you should let me pick the hotel out.
Yes.
Like our niece always says, go big or go home.
We're going to go big.
We sure are. Okay, so folks, this is our bed right here. I'm going to see if there's anything, because, yeah, just don't know what the smell's coming from, but it smells really musty and mildewy. Could be coming from the ceiling fan above us, because I don't know if you could see it, but man, that's really filthy. It's like really bad. And you would think for $157 a night, that's not even including tax, that...
And this is off season on a weeknight.
Yeah, off season on a weeknight. You would think that, you know, it'd be...
Halfway decent.
Halfway decent. But I don't know what they're doing to these hotels now these days. I really don't. Underneath this bed here. Looks to be okay.
Surprisingly clean.
Yeah. Anything underneath the sheets? No. Well, that's okay. I did sort of check underneath the bed, like way underneath the bed, but it just got like a metal hub board.
Would you like to check my bed?
Yes, I can check your bed if you'd like.
Maybe there's something hiding in this one. Because something is very musty here. Something's very musty and...
I mean, I'm pretty sure if we had like one of those lights, it would glow.
Yeah, it would probably reflect on that. Maybe we should invest in one of those. Again, pretty nice.
Yeah, there's nothing underneath. It's just, we don't know what that smell's coming from. It looks pretty clean underneath there, too. So, I don't think I concluded for tonight for our review of the hotel. Wish us luck that we make it okay tomorrow and we wake up all right, feeling okay. We just don't know what this musty smell is. It's just like really bad. Like this is actually our third room here, and we're not really picky. We don't really complain much, but
for some reason, the second room as well as the elevator, it smelled like someone died. Yeah,
it smells horrible. But the pool area is really nice and looks really beautiful. And
the check-in lady was very friendly.
Yeah, the lady was very friendly. We're not knocking the friendliness or anything like that. Don't get us wrong. It's just the room. I don't know what the smell is. And
the thing is, it seems to permeate the whole hotel.
Yes.
Or at least the tower. We're staying in the tower section. There is a motel room style building as well.
Yeah.
Maybe they're better. Maybe.
We're not sure. But that's gonna do it for tonight. We're gonna try to get some sleep. Maybe put some nose pins on our nose. Anyway, we'll probably see you guys in the morning. So if you're watching this at night, good night. If you're watching this in the morning, good morning. So we'll see you guys. We're
God willing in the morning.
Yes, so we will see you. Gonna try to get some sleep. So good night. Or good morning. Now, I really wanted to point out this pillow because I'm like, oh, I'm going to go to bed, and I'm trying to fluff with this pillow up, but this pillow looked like seemed like it had better days. I mean, I don't know. Like, compare it to those pillows. You put that pillow next to it. It's just, I don't know. I mean, I'm going to sleep on it. I'm going to use it, but I mean, come on.
It's just disappointing.
Yeah.
It's just disappointing. It's what we're just feeling is disappointment.
So, folks, this is the view from our room. This is the only good thing about it is the view. Now it is 9:40 in the morning, and we're planning on heading out, and we're gonna find a better and a much cleaner hotel. Well, folks, that's going to conclude it for our hotel review of the Sun Viking here in Daytona Beach. So I just want to start off by saying that the staff was very friendly. Very friendly. Very sweet. Very nice. Everyone here was nice. I'm not trying to say bad things about the place because I really don't want to do that, but this place really needs to be cleaned.
The ceiling fan was pretty dirty. I don't know if that was the exact cause for like the high mustiness. Basically, the room smelled like someone left their bathing stuff out for maybe a good year or two.
The smell was really bad. It was getting to me. I told Scott last night, I'm like, we're getting up right at 7 o'clock. We're going to leave. We're going to check out. But since I had a hard time sleeping, we didn't get up until 9 o'clock, or I didn't.
Right. And there are 3 different rooms. Our first room, actually, the smell wasn't terrible. The first room wasn't just the curtain was like more than halfway open, and we couldn't close it.
We couldn't get it to close. It was like a broken curtain. We tried, and it wouldn't close. So we get to our second room. Our second room smelled, as soon as you walk in, you could smell the mold. It really got to me. I was getting
to both of us.
Yeah, we both started getting headaches. So I walked out of the room, and I'm like, honey, we need to get a different room. I can't with this. And he's like, okay.
And then also the windows, a lot of the windows can't open in that room.
Right. They have a lot of signs saying do not open. I guess because there's no screens. So we were going to.
They were in bad shape. So they need to be replaced.
They were in really bad shape. And one, he had a hard time even getting open. But, so then they put us in our
third room.
The smell was bad, but it wasn't as bad as the second room.
Right.
So we were able to at least tolerate it a little bit. So, folks, we made it out alive.
Yeah, as I said, the third room is if the smell wasn't bad, the ceiling fan was clean. Actually, it would have been a more more enjoyable experience.
I just think that there's some things like it does have potential. I just think there's some
potential.
I just think that there's some things that they just need to work on, and this would be a great hotel for the price we paid. It was $122, but then there's like a $10, then there's like a $10 resort fee or whatever,
and $15 with taxes,
with taxes. So it wound up costing like $147
for and this would have been a Wednesday night during the off season here in late January.
Yeah, so I don't think that was a fair price for what we had to deal with last night at all. So my word of advice is whenever you're going to stay at a hotel,
check the rooms.
Even if it says 4.4.
Yeah, that was the rating.
For the reviews. I mean, there was not one bad review. I mean, I found like a couple, but I saw, 4.4. It's got to be really good. Because we've stayed at places where the reviews are like 4.1 and they're like phenomenal. I mean, I overlook some of the reviews, like when because some people can be very picky, but I overlook some of them. Yeah, too. And some people can lie too. But I just want to say that whenever you're going to stay at a hotel, please, by all means, check the room before you even, make the reservations or before you even.
Yeah, because we already paid for the room beforehand. We went to the first one, and I'm like thinking, okay, just a curtain. Okay, so the second room, I'm sure would probably be pretty good. And she's like, this one's going to be a 2-room suite. I'm like, terrific.
What I've been wanting on this trip, because, my husband snores, so I'm like, this would be perfect. But yeah, no, I'd rather him snore next to me than deal with what we had to deal with last night. It was just horrible. But tonight's a do-over, so we're going to splurge tonight.
Yes, we are.
And I'm picking the hotel. But anyway, that's going to do it for our vlog of the Sutton Viking here in Daytona Beach. So as always, if you like this vlog, give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, don't forget that subscribe button down below so you don't miss any more coming adventures of Scott and Michelle. We really want to appreciate you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you in our next adventure. Thanks for watching, folks. We love you.